Solid Oxide Fuel Cells SOFCs, they use a hard, non-porous ceramic compound as the electrolyte. They operate at very high temperatures as high as 1000 degrees Celsius. Due to high temperature, it allows SOFCs to reform fuels internally, which enables the use of variety of fuels, reduces the cost associated with adding a reformer to the system. However, operations of high temperatures also have inconveniences. The consequence is a slow starting and requiring thermal protection to maintain heat and defend system components. Furthermore, it's suitable for utility applications but not for transportation. Thus, for stationary use in power station and combined heat and power plants.